All right, everybody, welcome back to class. In this class, we are going to be treating how to design logo. Yes, we are going to be doing practical. This is not theoretical class. We are going to be doing practical class on how to design logo without wasting much of our time. Like you all know, don't come to Canva and just copy any logo. Do you understand? Don't come here and copy people logo. There are different logos that you will see in this app, but it is not advisable for you to copy people's logo. Do you understand? So we are going to start straight from here. I want to show you some logos that are available on Canva first. I want to show you some templates of logos. So I want to show you some templates. Okay, these are different logos. Don't come here and edit logos. Some people will say you can just come here and edit logo, change the color and all of that. It is not advisable. Always ensure that you create your own logo, because you end up copying someone's logo, which is not professional. And even though if you copy someone's logo, you can be sued for that. So without wasting much of our time, so I'm going to take us right from the phone menu straight to the Canva. So let's go. So first you go to your Canva like this. You ought to be in home. So you open your Canva like this. The next thing you're going to do, you come to this place, this plus sign, this button. So you create, and then you do custom size. What is the custom size for logo again? It's 500 height and 500 weight pixel. Always ensure that you are working with this pixel. There are other options here. We have inches, we have limiters, we have centimeter. Don't use those ones, use pixel. So the next thing you're going to create, so after you create, Canva will always suggest for you just like this. They will suggest something for you like this, but ensure that you don't edit anyone. So you swipe back like this, so you have your workspace. So the next thing you're going to do here, so like if you are given a project by a client that you say you need logo, always ask and make research on a particular kind of logo that are available before the ones you want to design. And after you make the research, the next thing you're going to do here is to sketch. You have to sketch the logo. Yes, sketch it on a plain sheet of paper so that it will guide you when you are designing in your Canva app, right? So you work with that sketch. So let's go. Excuse me. So if the client needs either they need a test, they need a test. Yes, a test that you translate into their logo. Let's say the name of the company, they want you to use the name, or they just want you to use a particular graphics to represent the logo. So you need to ask all those questions so that you will not make mistake. So after maybe the person said he want the test or he want a graphics, so the next thing you're going to do for this design, I'm going to be using text and images, text and shape to design this logo, right? So let's go. You go to element here, element, this is element. So you click the element. So I'm going to use this rectangle. Yes, so this angle now I will adjust it like this, duplicate it and rotate, duplicate, rotate Yowa. Duplicate and rotate like this. Adjust. Remember, your logo should be scalable. Yes, it should be adjustable. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring another shape. Yes, I'm going to bring another shape here. Leave the color like that. I've not determined on the color I'm going to use yet. So go to element again. We'll use this triangle. Good. Use the triangle. I hope you can see what I am doing. If it's stressing you, you can use the notch button. The notch button can help you to adjust your this thing. So like this, I'm trying to adjust. Okay, good. So the next thing I'm going to, just feel free, anything. The next thing I'm going to do here is going to duplicate this and bring it, reduce it. Once you reduce it, you change the color. Yes, I want to change the color of this one. The color of this one. Good. Can you see this? Okay. So when you change the color like this, you still have to adjust it. Adjust this. Use the notch button to bring this one down. Yes. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to bring another shape, but we can just duplicate this one. Duplicate it and use it because it's the same shape that we are trying to bring. So we place this here, reduce. Good. So remember, we are trying to create logo, right? So we still need this shape. Let's use the notch button. Let's use the notch button to adjust it. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do here is to duplicate this thing again. Duplicate it like this. Reduce it. Rotate, and use the notch button. Bam. Let's see how it's looking. It's not looking bad. So you can still do something to this. So okay, so let's use black here and see. Let's put black on the background and see how the logo looks like. Okay, so this one, which color are we going to use? Let's use red. head again. Well, no, white. So you just have to be creative. Your logo can be anything. You just something unique. You know, uniqueness is one of the attributes of a logo design. So you can, let's bring this one out and see. This one, let's use the position button to bring it forward. I have to send it backward. Let's send it back. Back. Good. So that we can pick this one. So the next thing we're going to do here is to write the name of the brown. So use the heading. So we need to adjust this one. We need to adjust this. So let's select and group. Okay. So group, let's see. I believe we've selected everything. Oh, one is remaining. So we didn't select this, but we can go with this one like this. Then this one comes like this. It's almost the same thing. Okay. So you can choose to have this logo in white, everything like this white color. No, okay. Yes, so this is a logo already. So the next thing you're going to do here, you can choose to like duplicate this and then do more options, right? So you can duplicate this one. So this one now, you can choose to make this one white. Depend on the brand kit though, because logo like this one I'm designing, there is no brand that is using it. It's just for an example. It's just an example. It is not a design that is meant for anybody. But company has their brand. Sometimes they will say we want white, we want red, we want yellow. So their logo should carry a particular color that the company is using. Do you understand? So this one is just for the training. It's just for the training. So you can change this to white, like I say. Then this one white, then the inner one like this one white, and this one something like this, or should I do white? So if you are doing white, we need to bring this one up. Maybe let's go to position and bring this one forward. I don't know how it's looking though. So we can actually leave this one like this. Then it's a logo, it's a symbol, but something that represents a brand. So let's duplicate this again and do some touches. Always make options so that your clients you can send different options to them and tell them, okay, this is what we have, blah blah blah, and all of that. Options. So the combination of this color for this logo should be based on what the client wants. It should be based on the brand kit. What is the color that the brand is using? Always ask your client what color is the brand using. Very, very important. Do you understand? So we are just trying to walk around this and see how this looks. So we're just trying to walk. Okay, this is all for this one. Thank you very much, guys. So we'll see you in our next class. I'm going to be designing another logo again for the next class, so you can see options. There are several ways you can achieve. There are some you can use text. So maybe the next one, this one I use shape, the next one I should be using text, and see how it works. Thank you very much. God bless you.